Did he fall asleep?
Yeah, we can't wake him up.
He must be related to Zadie.
Yeah.
Sarah, should we try putting something in his nose?
Michael, wake up.
Not putting anything in Micah's nose, thank you.
Alright, forget his nose. Let's put something in his ears. Not his glasses, Bubba. You can't mess with his glasses. Sarah, should we pour water on him?
No, no pouring water on Micah.
Should we put things in his belly button?
No, pumping, and it's very pumping.
Oh, I know. Put your elbows in his ears.
Oh, okay.
No, your elbows in his ears, not his elbows.
I'm gonna do it very hard.
All right, if that's not going to work, pinch his nose closed so he can't breathe.
No, let me put his shoulders and his ear. His shoulders and please. See? Okay.
All right, Sarah, there's only one thing left.
What?
Tickle him.
How my glasses fall off my face?
You don't know who